effective until midnight Friday. This watch includes the following counties in Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Fayette, Indiana, Washington, and Westmoreland. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damp.
Oh God, what is it now? What is it now? SVR! Oh my God.
Weather bulletin.
Stop that early.
For the following county: Washington, Pennsylvania, and the following counties in West Virginia: Brooke, Hancock, and Ohio. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania!
Central Ohio, southwestern Washington County, and southwestern Pennsylvania, northeastern Ohio County, and northern West Virginia, Brooke County, and northern West Virginia.
What's going on there right now?
County in northern West Virginia until 8 p.m.
It was raining pretty badly out there.
The thunderstorm was located over Hooverson Heights or near Avella, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Source: radar. Impact: expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Whitton, Steubenville, Washington, Canonsburg, Wellsburg, Avella.
Okay, I can't hear the 120, but good.
Winsdale, McGovern, Hooverson Heights, East Washington. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 2 and 27. Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers
Okay, I'm gonna
27
keep my
and 46. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412.